Let's talk about the characteristics of public cloud. Ownership. This is the resources that the organization or end user uses. Example, storage, processing power, CPU, memory. Resources do not belong to your organization that is utilizing them, but rather they are owned and operated by third parties such as cloud service providers. Multiple end users. Public cloud modes may make their resources available to multiple organizations and not just your organization. Public access. The public cloud provides access to the public. That means that the resources in the cloud provider's location can be accessed through the internet. Availability. And this is the most common cloud type deployment model where the cloud provider ensures the availability of your data and machines. Connectivity. Users and organizations are typically connected to the public cloud over the internet using a web browser. Skills. The public clouds do not require deep technical knowledge to set up in your organization. You do not need a lot of resources as well. All you need is a laptop, a desktop device, or any small platform that will have a browser and very basic internet connectivity, and that's all. The skills are all managed by the public cloud provider.